Hello everyone at Calendbook. It's almost Christmas 2023 and the Calendbook tech team is giving us a great present. At least for me it's amazing. So you can now connect your Telegram account that I happen to love even more than WhatsApp because I just think it's just a better software all around. I will definitely want to take a look at WhatsApp as well. And then basically when you go into your event types, you can also add reminders on your Telegram. So when you have like 5 minutes before your call, it's great to get a Telegram reminder. You check that more than email, and you know that I gotta jump on that call. And of course, when there's new bookings, you will see them there as well. So this is how basically the Calendbook bot on Telegram looks like. You see that there's a kind of a new booking and a new reminder or whatever, and so that you can just jump into your Zoom from there. So take a look, let us know. I think next we'll definitely have to take a look at WhatsApp as well, just because it's widely used as well. But we believe we're one of the really only booking platforms that's got integrations to these messaging platforms that all of us are using all the time, and we're always on, much more than email. That's why we believe that this is a great way to get reminders, notifications, and all that. Cool. Let us know your thoughts in the comments. Thank you so much.